November 25, 2024. Donald Trump says one of his first executive orders in office will be to charge Mexico and Canada a 25% tariff on all products entering the US. He says this will remain in place until fentanyl and illegal aliens are stopped from entering the US. February 1, 2025. The US president follows through on his promise, implementing 25% tariffs on goods from Canada and Mexico, as well as a 10% tax on China, saying these will become effective on for February 4, 2025. Trump backtracks and agrees to hold off imposing the Canadian and Mexican tariffs for 30 days. After last-minute calls with Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau and Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum. March 5, 2025. Tariffs on goods from Canada, Mexico and China take effect from 01, and Canada and China respond with retaliatory tariffs. Mexico says it will respond soon. March 6, 2025. A day later, Trump grants Mexico a temporary reprieve on tariffs until 2 April. Later that day, Canada is given the same suspension deal, though some goods from both countries will still be subject to levies. March 11, 2025. Donald Trump responds to Ontario Premier Doug Ford's threats to tax electricity exports to the US by doubling plant tariffs on Canadian steel and aluminum imports to 50%. The US president later reverts this measure back to 25%, and Ford's own threat is suspended. March 12, 2025. A 25% duty on all steel and aluminum imports into the US takes effect, impacting all of the US's trade partners including the few, which reacts with €26 billion, 21.9 billion, $28.3 billion worth of countermeasures.